Today we are going to be testing the power limits, RF power output limits on the Baofeng A58S. We're going to be using the Bridgecomm little SWR power VSR meter. We're going to set it in the wattage mode and got the dummy load already set up to it, and we're going to see what the power level settings are. I can't remember truthfully if this is a tri-power level rating, mid, low, high, or it's high and low, but whatever it is, we'll get into it. So anyways, if you're here for the first time, thank you. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you as well. Let's proceed. Okay, so we're going to start off on 223/420, and we're at a low power setting rating, and let's key up AA1PR testing. 3.6 for low power on 220. Most impressive. Let's get to high power. Okay, 223/420 high power testing. Gotta find the push to talk button there. AA1PR 4.5. Not much more, but I guess a little bit. Every little ounce counts. Let's get over to 2 meter frequency and try that. Okay, so we're on VHF 146.475, my node frequency, low power. AA1PR testing, 1.9 watts on VHF low. Not bad. Okay, we're on high power VHF 146.475, AA1PR, 4.6 watts. Not quite a 5 watt radio, but close. Let's go to UHF, find out what she does there. Okay, we're on my node frequency 446/100, low power, AA1PR testing, 1.5 watts. That's not bad for low power. We're on high power 446/100 now. AA1PR high power. 5 watts. That's our dummy load through the meter. So it looks like UHF gives us the most power output on this radio. Anyways, sorry for being a short video, but there's not really much more we can show. Doing the power level output testing, it gives you an idea what the radio is capable of. So please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. Make any and all purchases in the product description link below through using our Amazon link. Help support this channel. If you're going to buy any amateur radio products for Bridgecomm, use our affiliate link there. It'll also help support the channel. And if you want to support the channel in another way, you can do so on patreon.com/simplyhamradio. I thank you. Thanks for the views, the likes, the subscribes. Thank you for being a subscriber and a viewer watching this channel. That's what this channel is all about, trying to help you provide content that you might enjoy or might find useful. 7-3, guys. If you're not a ham, that means best regards. Take care.